Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pretty Petal. If this is the first time you're watching my video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you all tallest Hanuman statue in USA. This Hanuman is 25 feet tall and this temple is 50 miles from my home located in Delaware. So let's see you all in temple. We almost arrived at the temple, and this is the temple entrance, and I don't see many people around here because of the pandemic. So let's visit the temple first and take blessing of Mahalakshmi Amma. The foundation of this temple was laid back in 1996 and darshanam started in 2001. Let's go inside the temple for darshanam. Due to COVID, mask is mandatory and darshanam is restricted from Dhwajastambham only. Now I am going to show you the most exciting part of this vlog, tallest statue of Lord Hanuman. Go. The 25 feet tallest Hanuman statue carved out from single block of granite and the weight around 65,000 pounds. The statue made in Warangal district, Telangana. Okay guys, I'm signing off for now. Leave a comment about this video and also like, share it with your friends and family so that I can be back in next one with more interesting and fun video and vlogs. Until then, bye bye.